Hi, my name is Cora Harrington and I'm the Lingerie Addict, and I am super excited to do my very first unboxing video with the Bijoux Indiscrets 12 Days of Pleasure Advent Calendar. You may have heard of this brand before. They're known for their sexy boudoir accessories, things like bracelets and collars and cuffs and that sort of thing. And I was really excited to be able to do a live unboxing for this, even though we don't really celebrate Advent in the United States, because I love the idea of 12 days of gifts, 12 days of special things to share with yourself or with a loved one. So this is going to be a live unboxing. As you can see, I haven't actually opened this yet, so we get to explore the entire thing together for the first time. So here we go. There, that actually helped it. So my first impressions are that I love this box. This is beautiful, kind of flat, matte black. There's a peacock feather imprint here. There's this beautiful kind of gold foil lettering. It feels sturdy, it feels luxe, it feels like a truly giftable item. And I really like that about it. So I'm going to crack it open now. Here we go. Ooh, this is pretty. I love that gold foil on the inside. It just feels so luxurious and so gift-worthy to me. As you can see, there are 12 different envelopes, or 12 different doors for the 12 days of Advent. And so we're going to open them all up in order from 1 to 12, and let's see what we find. I'm really excited. So this is the first one. Trying not to completely destroy the box as I open these, it's so hard. Oh, wow. So this is, let me get it out of there. This is a tassel choker. I like that. You can wear this to a party, to an event. It's really pretty. That's nice. I'm just gonna put these off to the side as I open them. So that was the first one. The second one, here we go. Door number 2. So behind this door, we have the flash nipple cover pasties. So these are little X's that you wear as nipple covers. This is really cute. I like the idea of wearing this like a mesh shirt or a mesh dress for a night out, for a party. Let's see, door number 3. Oh, it's right here. This is a pretty big one. Oh wow. This is the back and cleavage chain. I've actually worn this before. I own this, and it's really great with dresses or with outfits that have a really low cut back or a deep V. So this is one of my favorite items. I like this a lot. And this would be perfect, I think, for like a New Year's party or holiday party, because it is party season. Let me see, door number 4. I'm going to put this off to the side so it doesn't fall out, but you see our progress. Door number 4 is a really big one. So let's see what's behind this. I couldn't imagine waiting all 12 days and opening one of these for 12 days in a row. I think I would open them all at once, just like I'm doing now. I don't think I would have the patience to wait. Oh, so this is nice. It's a vinyl eye mask. Perfect for a masquerade, for a party. I like that a lot. This is their suspender belt. So you would wrap this part around your waist, and then this part would hang down, and you could attach it to your underwear, to your garter belt or something. It's really cute. I would wear this as outerwear, I think. I like the idea of wearing a lingerie-inspired belt out and about, maybe over a dress or something. This is great. One thing that I'm really impressed with so far is how all of these pieces, all of these items feel like good items. Nothing here so far feels like junk or like it's throwaway, like it's an afterthought. Like these really feel like they're the best of what Bijoux Indiscrets has to offer, and I think that's really great. So under this one, these are garter belt straps. Because here's the garter portion there at the bottom. So you get a few of these in here. 4 garter belt straps. So those are nice. I like how the details on them are gold metal. It's perfect for the holidays. So we are halfway through now. Those are 6 days down, 6 to go. We're at door number 7. Ah! That one's kind of busy. Okay. Ooh, a blindfold / eye mask. So you know that on TLA, we don't really talk a lot about boudoir, bedroomy things, but this is really pretty. The satin's very soft, very plush. I would probably wear this as a belt too, but you know, if you're into blindfolds and things, this is quite nice. So door number 8. Ooh, I think there's another body chain in here. Yes. It's the metallic whip necklace. So this will hang down from your neck. I mean, it says it's a whip necklace, so I guess you're supposed to maybe hit yourself or somebody else with it, but I just like this as a castle necklace. I would definitely wear this out and about. I think this might be my favorite item so far. That was 8. Ah, here we go. 9. Oh, this is a little feather tickler. It's soft. So, like I said, again, we don't really talk about boudoir type things. This is really cute, really soft. You might like that a lot. Put that to the side. 3 more days. Day number 10. I wonder what's next. Oh, yeah. I like this. These are the cuffs. So they're joined by this chain, but I actually just like wearing these as bracelets on their own. I think they just make really pretty bracelets. And then also I've worn this chain in the middle as a bracelet on its own as well. So this is a really great item. I like this a lot. Day number 11, 2 more to go. Ah! I'm just gonna cheat and tear that a little bit right there. Oh, nice. This is the collar necklace with the hanging chain. So it's like a collar and a body chain combined. That's pretty. I like that. I would definitely wear this and this together as a set. As a jewelry set for a night out. We're on the last day, day 12. Let's see what is the final gift. Oh, this is. So, I'm sure you know what this is for. We're not going to go into detail. It's very cute, very discreet. Has the same air of luxury that the rest of the items do. And that's our 12th item. So, just some kind of thoughts overall now that we've kind of gone through all the boxes and all the doors. I love the packaging. I love the gifting experience of this. I love how you can save it to open one a day. Or you could just be like me, I think, and just go crazy and open them all at once. But I really love how everything in this box feels deliberate and purposeful and beautiful and like something that you can really wear and incorporate into your life or your lifestyle. I feel like these items are things I could wear out and about, are things I could use. And I feel like this box is something I wouldn't mind giving as a gift to a friend either. So this is really great. So thank you for unboxing the Bijoux Indiscrets 12 Sexy Days Advent Calendar box with me. This is such a beautiful, luxurious, gift-worthy item. It was so exciting to be able to share everything in here with you. Bijoux Indiscrets is an amazing boudoir accessories company. All the items in this box are gorgeous, and I feel like it's just a one-stop gift that you can share for the holidays.